This week, I'm getting together in the heart of Addis Piyazza with a couple of my favorite creatives from Ethiopia. It is 6:30 a.m. and I am here to meet the street photographers. It's gonna be a fun day.
ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን ተመልካቾቻችን። በአሁን ሰዓት በ6 AM በኢትዮጵያ አቆጣጠር 12 ሰዓት ከጠዋቱ There's really nothing like being photographed on a Sunday morning by amazing photographers. It was so much fun, I wanted to share it on my channel with you guys. Creating in Ethiopia is fun and full of adventures. I wanted to showcase that it's not that hard to be a creator in Ethiopia, or anywhere else in the world, and excel at what you do. You just need to know your ways, and this video might actually be helpful to those that want to be in front of the camera or behind the camera. Street photography at its essence means candid photography of people and humanity. A street photograph has to be real, it has to be in the moment, even though the time has passed. I really admire street photographers. I feel as though they're such good observers by nature. It's a way of connecting with the world and bringing back a moment that has already passed. I also cannot pass without saying that photography in Ethiopia was not that big until recent years, at least in my opinion. And now street photography is shaping the image of Addis internationally. I really love and enjoy seeing the diaspora that's very curious, excited to follow all these amazing photographers, and is experiencing Addis through photographers' eyes.
Jammer? Just for
We're just trying to find colorful walls. One of my favorite things to do is to walk on the street and find a nice background. And this is exactly what we did at Piazza. We went around and we paused whenever we saw a great background. It could be a wall, a door, anything that we found that was colorful and nice. This was the result. We're changing locations now, finding another spot. After we wrapped up in downtown Piazza, I wanted the next shoot to be in my own school. It's the school I spent my entire life prior to college. I know it's gonna bring back all the sentimental memories. If you're watching this and you went to Cathedral, please comment below and let's reconnect.
Best memory.
Best memory. I've won 3 MVP awards here. ከአምስተኛ ክፍል ጀምሮ እስካሁን ድረስ ባስኬት የተጫወትኩበት ሜዳ ይሄን ይመስላል።
ገና when we used to just like እኔ ነብዮች ነበር
እኔ ወንዶኝ ነበር yeah oh my god
so many memories.
This is where we grew up. It's great.
ገደድ ብሎ ከጀርባ ይቆም እናመሰግናለን እየወጣችሁ መንገድ ላይ ፎቶ አንሱ ሁዱር ጣት ይሄን ይመስላል በቃ ተመጣ በቃ
Thank you.
Really enjoyed my morning and this shoot, and I just want to say the first thing to be a great photographer is
subscribe.
is to be spontaneous. Moments in street photography happen so fast. So many photographs will appear and disappear before you even put the camera to your eye. This makes it vital to go with your gut. If you feel the potential for a photograph, just take it. Don't hesitate. Pick up your camera and snap. So get loose, embrace your instincts, and be inspired. Moreover, seek creativity and you're going to be on the path to winning. And you're going to fall in love with photography. See you next time.
አንተስ ትሽሞነሙኒ ይመሻል እንዴ ካሜራውን እኮ አፈጋው እኮ እንዴ